Hello, I hope you're doing well. Let's learn some conversation strategies. Everyday expressions. The expressions are grouped into two categories, more formal and less formal. For example, thank you is more formal and thanks is less formal. More formal expressions can be used in all situations. The less formal are suitable with people the speaker knows well or when someone wants to create a friendly atmosphere. So, instead of yes, we can say yeah, thank you, thanks, hello, hi, how are you, how are you doing, I'm fine, okay, pretty good, good, goodbye, bye, see you later. In conversation, yeah is 10 times more common than yes. Now stop the video and complete the conversations. Alright, let's check the answers. Hi, sorry I'm late. How are you doing? Pretty good. How are you? I'm pretty good. Bye. See you. See you later. Good morning, Mrs. Swan. How are you doing? I'm good. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. Goodbye, Mrs. Swan. See you. Strategy plus. People say hi and bye more than hello and goodbye. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.